like such an odd sight. So, today's video has been on my mind. Why am I wearing glasses? Oh yeah, because I can't see. Today's video has been on my mind for quite a long time, ever since I did my Stella versus Instagram look, where I did the 3 kind of braids going back, and then I pulled it up, and I had the curls. I did a video and I got inspired. So when I did those 3 braids, I kind of almost played with the idea, or toyed with the idea of doing not just those 3 in the middle, but what if I do the whole front section of my hair? I don't know how it would kind of look, but I loved the idea. This is very much my own idea. I don't think I've ever seen it done. I mean, I know that when you play around with cornrows and everything, you could get quite creative, but I never kind of seen one that was like half head and then just let it be, you know. I have these extensions by VP Fashion. I think almost all my extensions are from there, and these are from last year that I actually dyed last year, and it actually blends in. So I'm going to be putting those in as soon as I finish the braids. I'm gonna see how I manage, I'm gonna see if it's even possible, and I'm gonna take you with me on this journey. Yeah. Okay, half head. What would a half head kind of look like? And then yeah.
Alrighty.
Nope. Further back. I'm gonna say this is good. I don't think it is, but I'm gonna say it is. So basically, so far I just took kind of one entire section all throughout the front bit. And then this is going to be separated into a bunch of other bits. This is going to be my first section, and I'm going to be doing the same exact braid that I did in the other video that I did. I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly Dutch braid this section, and then we're gonna work from here. Number 1 key to doing anything that is remotely intricate is to always section and then pull away any hair that might get in the way. The last thing you need is when you're halfway through and you realize you picked up hair from this side in this braid. This is just there, I guess I said, to kind of hold the braid in place while I'm actually braiding, and then it's just going to dry off and work its magic. Oh yeah, first section done. Here's where the kind of designing comes, because this was just the first section. Now I kind of have to design these 2 bits kind of around it. I think this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put another almost exactly identical braid next to it, so 2 parallel, so it's not going to be wider. I've done. I think I want to do another one kind of going down, so like another one like this, but a bit like. I don't think it's very symmetrical, but I also don't really care. So for my next set of braids, beats me, I don't know what I want. Okay, so I just finished these two last braids on this side. I'm going to do the exact same thing this side on this side. I'm tired. This so far took me around 2 hours to do. I'm so tired. My hands are tired more than I am. Oh, there's no hair on my face. This is my favorite. Actually, screw it. I want a ponytail. I'm actually thinking that instead of letting it just all kind of stay down, I actually want a ponytail. You know your hair is damaged when there's small bits of hair legit everywhere. What if I leave it like this? So I'm getting very strong Ari vibes. But then I'm also getting like female boss vibes a lot. Like, I know what's missing with this look. Wait. Eyeliner and lashes. Oh yeah. I got this new eyeliner pen from NYX Epic Ink Liner, so I decided to give this a go, and it was amazing. So, mwah. And then I also went in with some lashes. This is by Unicorn Lashes in Peachy Pie, and they've got a lot of sass, a lot of drama, and a lot of spice. I bought a ring light, and I have no idea how to use it. So this is the final look. I'm blown away. I'm mind blown. I am forever changed. I'm a changed woman. It's one thing when you envision something in your head, but it's a completely different scenario, completely different when you actually put it to the test, when you actually try it out. And it did not come out as I hoped it would. It came out better. It's now almost 5 o'clock. I started at 2 just so I give you an idea of how long this kind of takes. But it was forever worth it. Whatever you have in your mind, please go for it. It usually works out. So yeah, as I said, the extensions were ones that I actually dyed myself last year for a hair color that I had last year, and they actually fit so well today. Can you see it? Oh, of course you can. I absolutely love their extensions, especially because they're very, very good to make a ponytail with. Because not all extensions are good enough, and these ones are spicy as heck. The link of these will be down in the description box below. As I said, these are custom dyed, but you could get them in whatever color you want. Obviously, duh. I have a coupon code, Stella, I believe. My bodysuit, because this is a bodysuit. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh yeah. And my skirt. They are both from Shein.com. I absolutely love this outfit. I think it's so cute, you know? It just works. They're from Shein.com. I absolutely love their stuff because they're super, super affordable, and I just paired this together. The belt isn't, but you know, you do what you can. So link of these also will be in the description box below. Cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.